Welcome to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss the conversional formula from one trigonometric ratios to another. Now let us see sin theta in terms of others. First, sin theta in terms of cos theta. First one, sin theta in terms of cos theta. First bit A. First bit sin theta in terms of cos theta. So solution answer is sin theta is equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta. Number 2, sin theta in terms of tan theta. Sin theta in terms of tan theta. We can write answer sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. That is equal to 1 by cosec theta. 1 by cosec theta means root over 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. Simplify this, that is equal to 1 by tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta root over, which is equal to tan square root theta. This becomes numerator and this is tan theta by root over 1 plus tan square theta. Another way we can also derive another way. Sin theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. This is equal to tan theta into cos theta. This is equal to tan theta 1 by sec theta, or tan theta sec theta means root over 1 plus tan square theta. This is another way. This is another way to find sin theta in terms of tan theta. Second method or second method. Similarly, sin theta in terms of third. Sin theta in terms of cot theta. That is equal to answer sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec. Cosec means root over 1 plus cot square theta. This is third bit. Now cos theta, convert cos theta. Convert cos theta in terms of cot theta, sec theta, tan theta, cot theta, tan theta, cosec theta. Convert cos theta in terms of cot theta, tan theta, cosec theta. Answer is cos theta in terms of cot theta. We can write cos theta is equal to we can write cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta into sin theta. This is cot theta, cos by sin, cot theta into 1 by cosec theta. This is equal to cot theta divided by cosec theta, means root over 1 plus cot square theta. Now cos theta in terms of tan theta. Now cos theta in terms of tan theta. Cos theta in terms of tan theta. Cos theta in terms of tan theta. We can write cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, or sec theta is equal to 1 by sec theta root over 1 plus tan square theta. This is answer. And cos theta in terms of cosec theta. Cos theta in terms of cosec theta. Cos theta in terms of cosec theta. Cosec theta. This is answer. Cos theta is equal to 1 by, or cos theta is equal to, in terms of cosec theta, how can we convert cos theta in terms of cosec theta? Cos theta is equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta means, sin theta means 1 by cosec L square, cosec square theta, that is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 by cosec square theta. This is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 root over by cosec theta. This is cos theta in terms of cosec theta. Some related problem based on trigonometric ratios. Some related problem based on trigonometric ratios. Prove that 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 minus 2 sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin theta. Is equal to 2 sin theta. Here we can write left hand side 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 minus 2 sin theta into cos theta, 1 minus 2 sin theta into cos theta here, divided by 2 sin theta into cos theta, 1 minus 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. This can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 means sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. This can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, means a plus b whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta plus cos theta. This is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, means sin theta minus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta minus cos theta. This cancel, here sin theta plus cos theta, here sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta cancel. This is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Proved. RHS. Now another question. Prove that 1 by 1 plus sin square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Left hand side, left hand side 1 by 1 plus sin square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus, this is 1 by cos square theta, cos square theta 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos square theta. Take common, take LCM. This is equal to 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by cos square theta, and this is 1 by 1 plus cos square theta. This comes this plus cos square theta by 1 plus cos square theta, 1 by 1 plus cos square theta. Take LCM. LCM means 1 plus cos square theta here, 1 plus cos square theta here, 1 plus cos square theta, that is cos square theta plus 1. This cos cancel, so answer is 1, which is RHS. 1 by 1 plus sin square theta, 1 by 1 plus cos square theta. To convert either sin in terms of cos or cosec, convert sin in terms of cosec or cosec in terms of sin. We change here sin in terms of cosec. So what is sin? 1 by cosec, put sin square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta and simplify. Taking LCM and simplify, we get answer is 1, which is RHS. Thank you.